If your being knows this is a game and it's not real, then why ain't you playing the game? Like Ma. She knows that being in the basement, subconscious mind, you can do whatever you want.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Ma'at. Finding peace within a storm. Finding peace within a storm. Finding peace within a storm. I'm just spoiling y'all with this one. A lonely middle-aged woman befriends some teenagers and decides to let them party in the basement of her home. But there are some house rules. One of the kids has to stay sober, don't curse, and never go upstairs. They must also refer to her as Ma. But as Ma hospitality starts to curdle into obsession, what began as a teenage dream turns into a terrorizing nightmare. And Ma's place goes from the best place in town to the worst place on earth. Ma'at, universal order, justice, balance. Balance in the force. We can look at two laws when dealing with this movie: cause and effect and polarity. Because Ma, as a teenager, was humiliated and embarrassed for being some kind of differenter, she was ready to effect some change on that ass. Get her justice restored, the balance of her self-esteem. Best believe her playing a melanated role wasn't a coincidence. Her being was pouring all off the screen. Ma'at is the goddess of truth, justice, balance, order. Ma'at and Tahuti was an item, partners in crime. This basically tells you that Tahuti, right brain, creative thought, expressive ideas, gets pulled back to the center by Ma'at, balance, order, making them the middle point of the brain. Yin and yang flow. And as we go on, this will all start to line up. She was popularly known for the Book of the Dead and the 42 Negative Confessions. These confessions are sometimes taken literal as some kind of moral compass to follow. But like our brothers Bobby and Panic always say, yeah, you haven't did any of these things. Cause you was never here. Your body is here, but your soul knows this is a hologram, an illusion, and all you're doing is playing a game.
Quad!
Go get the book Holographic Universe by Michael Talbert. But if your being knows this is a game and it's not real, then why ain't you playing the game? Like Ma. She knows that being in the basement, subconscious mind, you can do whatever you want. I mean, it's her basement, her mind, and these teens are just a part of her own mind, dwelling deep in her subconscious mind. Because of the trauma experience she felt as a teen. Solar plexus chakra. Why wouldn't she restore justice and battle the demons plaguing her being? I don't want them to go upstairs and ride to the heart chakra, where they'll find a wounded child. So let me keep them in the depths of my subconscious mind and fight them off this way. She's restoring justice within herself, restoring the order. As a kid, some of us had some traumatic or emotional situations that plagued our being and lays dormant in our subconscious mind. It is up to you to restore the peace, the balance within yourself to overcome the wounded child. It is up to you to restore the peace, the balance within yourself to overcome the wounded child. It is up to you to restore the peace, the balance within yourself to overcome the wounded child.
Message!
In order for you to get into your power balance, you must use your imagination and visualization techniques to come back to center. As in Ma's case, she is basically visualizing her teenage fantasies coming true, restoring the order within herself and coming into her power once again. Even to the point of her doing cruel things to the teen, she's really battling with herself, seeking justice, restoring the order, and finally going up to her conscious mind, going down with the flames of glory with her king by her side. Dream wise.